Hey Gen Chem students, my name is Ben Asman. This is the second experiment in Chem 101 lab. It's about mass, volume, and significant figures. Here's our analytical balance. We're going to set this to 0. Take our sample here. This is our first one. See, it has its number on it, and you can weigh the mass for that. Once that is done, we have a variety here of rods for you to measure. We have here brass, aluminum, stainless steel, and copper. I'm going to take the brass and gently add it to the scale. Don't roll away. Lovely, that will do. Okay, for the next part, we're going to need our 15 mil graduated cylinder and about 35 mils of water. It doesn't have to be dead on precise, but you do want to record exactly how much you took. Then you're going to take your rod, very gently add that in so it doesn't splash anywhere, you don't lose water, and then record the new volume. We're going to now repeat this for the burette. We want to take our rod, which is still pretty moist, make sure that's nice and dry so that doesn't affect our readings here. And we're going to fill up our burette with about 10 to 12 mils of water. Once again, the exact amount you add is not that significant. You just want it roughly in this area, and then read what you have here. Then we're going to add our rod. Try and do that gently so you don't lose any water. And then we can take our second reading right there, and the difference will get you the volume. Determining the volume this way is the same way Archimedes did way back in the day. For calibrating our transfer pipettes, this is a transfer pipette. It's what they look like. You have here how much and a marker, and it comes with a safety bulb. A lot of people have trouble using this, but this is how you're going to do it. We have here a beaker full of water. We put this in the beaker. We're going to squeeze all the air out, put that here, suck in until it's past that line. We don't want to overdo it. Okay, we go a little past that line, and then we can put our finger there. That finger holds that so that we don't lose any at the bottom. So now that we have our finger there, we can slowly release a little bit off of our finger, and that will bring us down to the line. And now we can take this over here.
We want to make sure that we have an Erlenmeyer with a tight-fitting cap so that none of the water evaporates. Add that in. It does take a moment. Let me speed that footage up a bit.
Whatever you do, do not blow out that little bit that's left behind. That little bit of water is accounted for in the measurement.
You're going to repeat that several times to calibrate your transfer pipette, and then the exact same procedure to figure out your unknown liquid.